My name is Nick. I'm the support lead here at Brownswood. My role is pretty dynamic. I do everything from receiving the plant material, taking care of it on a daily basis, working with customers to make sure that they get their products loaded, make sure that they have everything that they need to send them on their way and to improve their homes, their pots, whatever they're doing with plants, make sure that they have everything that they need to enjoy their time and have an overall good experience. So I'm still learning each and every day. There's so much to learn in this role. It really just feels like a family working here. And that's actually one of the reasons why I came to Brownswood, is because, it's a family-owned business. It's not your typical corporate office job where, you meet the boss once and then you never see him again unless you get promoted 12 times and work your way up the ladder to be a C-level executive. I have an environmental degree, so I wanted to be able to put that to use somehow. So I want to do something good for the environment, actually feel like I'm making an impact for the climate. And this spoke to me greatly because, you grow plants, you help the environment, you make it look beautiful, and you really just connect people back to nature. I feel like we don't have enough of that in today's world. Everyone's so disconnected, stuck in their phones, and their laptops, TV, whatnot. So it's really just bringing people, back to nature, back to where we came from, essentially, and make them realize, it's good to go outside and enjoy life a little bit.